Alright, what time now is in your place? It is 11:30, 11:34. It's 11:34. We are late about 30 minutes. So I'll tap on your screen and show. Sharing the live. Let's get the views to somewhere and then right now. On Friday straight. How many of you? How many of you smashed all the TVs on Friday straight? Friday the great I say it. What we are doing like all the TVs were smashed. How many of you were able to How many of you were able to smash Friday straight? All the TVs. Friday, smash all the TVs. If you're able to smash all the TVs, let me know in the comment section. Our time on your screen and share the live.
Baby, I'm on the road, drinking tequila. I'm on the sofa, and see how for the radio. Carry on. No matter for my job, Bolivia. On this lonely road, bitches they be stepping on my toes, taking me a few side off. Now I'm living on my own. I'm pretending to be alright. Tell me why I'm so sad. And what I thought it was in St. Louis, Bolivia. it was intent, Louis, Olivia. Baby, drinking tequila, my mind is so far, say I forget, carry on, I'm a love, Olivia. Got me on the low list, where some choice sitting on the maybe you know you even know what is right in the day. Tell him I'm to the police, but the breathing on me. I try to give you the peace, to give you everything that you need. Why you want to put the pen on me, baby?
That was a sniper entry for you guys, and that's 20 minutes already. Code is very, very volatile. So that is sniper and great and fast up.
Baby, I'm on the road, drinking tequila, my mind is so far, say I forget, carry on.
Hey, how many of you were able to smash all the TVs for Friday? I'll ask this question like 8 times. I think how many of you were able to smash the TVs on Friday? How many were you able to smash out of it? I got 3 out of it. How many were you able to get out of it? Trisha, thank you for the flower. How many of I right yesterday, so Friday done. So you were able to smash all the TVs. How much were you able to make percentage wise? How much were you able to make on your account percentage, but not the amount? How much were you able to make on your account? 90%, that's crazy. Make 90% out of this Friday stream that I said. That's crazy.
Money on my mind.
Which means my guy went in hard.
Me in particular.
Call me.
Out here on the road chasing my dream because I know
You're chasing for me.
Today
we are going to make some money in the next 1 hour 25 minutes. Are you on the street? Yes, you already smashed it. One, it has come back to 30. And we have re-entered. Yes, you can enter. Bye, you can enter. We meet again to the stay at 133 very slight by Facebook. It's about ginger.
Just carry on, if you no time. Bad boy day, me I day fine. And at the same time, me I day high. But to the top, stand out, calm down. You go day fine, like fine wine, no decline. Sick about it, extraordinary things. Show me love, I go show you more. Ubushenche, I'm a don't take ya. She kill him, for fire, yeah. No la demand, but my love. But I'm got the edition.
Tap on your space and share the live, guys.
Find anybody the money I want.
Tap on your space and share the live.
Want to get a shakeleti love.
Tap on your space and share the live.
Another one I go take and do waiting I love. Waiting you love. Waiting I love. Waiting I love. We don't lie. No be podcast. Money changer. But I know the ways that Mr. Money changer.
Thank you for sharing the live, bro. Our tap on your space and share the live. Our tap on your space and share the live. At the point it is, you can re-enter. Make sure you see how it is rotated from that level. There is a reason for that level. I'm gonna rake some 70 on it. 4, 6. I'll rake some 70 on it. The moment it rejects from that level, it breaks the high. I'll add in more.
Baby, calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo, you sweet life, phantom. If I tell you, say I love you, you know they for me, young girl. Oh, young girl. No, tell me, no. Baby, gon' give me your lo. You got me like,
It's been a long time.
Shawty gon' give me your lo. I see this fine girl from my party, she wear yellow. Every other girl they do too much, but this girl mellow.
When we come to live training,
now in my divine situation, I go use they tell her mellow. Finally, I find way to talk to the girl, but she no follow. When you gonna phone for
this place? And why is it that man get rejected from that place? And why is it fine? You have to ask yourself questions, asking questions.
I know, say she's a people sit down one. But she feeling insecure, cause her friends go they come a light ring go on. Go they come a light ring go on.
Ask questions, don't argue. Just follow and dream.
Yeah, I know we look shy, but for you I get down low. And my hips make you cry when I'm moving around you.
Don't ask questions.
Let's do it twice. I push back, you hold me tight. Get a taste for a night. Baby, show me you can come down.
I trade one before I play with.
Dance with me and take the lead now.
I trade one before I play with strategy.
Got you so high that you can't come down.
Let's fly, good. Let's fly, good.
Don't
Let's
you
fly,
ask, you
good.
know you're allowed.
Let's fly, good. Big propeller, how are you?
I can't say no. Baby, give
One time
me
on your screen says share the life. One time on your screen says share the life. The one with the rapid thing, shine, kind of. How are you? Yes, follow. What I say.
As I reach my house, I see me got a small wall. As me I wake up, now she did my mind don't walk.
What did you say? My
One
location
day
is
two,
down.
one of you folk go was. Now so me I go down, so me we link go
West Africa, we say West Africa.
got my hand on your heart now, I can feel it race. If I leave, then you say
One time on your screen says share the life.
wanna give you
One
it
time
all,
on your
but
screen
can't
says share the life. You see how the minds are
and that's
getting
the
in.
risk you
Stronger,
take.
stronger.
Baby, calm down. Yo, this your body, it puts in my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown.
You see where you see how the minds are entering. Let me know the profit you're running in the comment section right quick. Let me know the profit you're running in the comment section right quick. Let me know the profit you were running in the comment section.
Baby, come give me your lo.
Let me know the profit you were running in the comment section quick.
Shawty, come give me your lo.
Let me know the profit you are running in the comment section. Let me know. Type at the comment section how much you're running in profit.
FlexJobs is the #1 job site to find remote, work from home, and flexible schedule job opportunities since.
Because if I come live and people don't trade, I only see their sense of coming live. So let me know the profit you're running at the comment section. Let me know the profit you are running at the comment section. Really, thank you for the follow.
Go and see them.
I was out on
Drama.
3306. How much were you able to make on that?
Find your stay.
Show me dollar. That's how you can see. That's how you can see on your screen. You can see on your screen what I have typed on your screen. So when you ask me certain questions, you want me to come to the and come and give you some no. Everything you need to know about what we are doing right now is on the screen. All the trades, the key, everything is on the screen. Profit of 50 euros. I mean, what was your analysis of this setup? Analysis is quite a strategy. This week I'm going to teach want you guys out there. So make sure that if you're not following the channel, you follow. If you're not in the Telegram channel, make sure you join. We're already smashed TV1 and we have re-entered. We are going to smash the next smash the next smash all the TVs. Okay?
No sentence. Your eye go play. If you no get this. If you no get this. No get this.
Can I re-enter now? You can re-enter. If it comes to you, fine, you can re-enter. So you can re-enter, you can re-enter.
That's my super.
You can re-enter, I want to get a sniper entry. When it comes to training, it's not just about whether you're pumping the bike or whatever. Your entry is very key. Your entry is you know that. Entry, when you have a good entry, it helps you. It helps you. If you want to know a good trader, look at their entry. That is what I can tell you. So look at my entry for business. Look at this entry for business. See where my entry is. So that kind of entry is called a sniper entry. Okay, that kind of entry is called what? A sniper entry. And when you are able to have such entries, it helps you. It helps you. At least when market is misbehaving, you can have your nice break even and we are good. Okay, so the first trade we took, you see, we took our first trade and we were able to get about 60 pips plus smashing first TP for us. And it has come back to our entry. We have entered again. Let's see whether it's going to smash all the CPs as quick as possible. In about a few minutes, New York is going to open. In about a few minutes, New York is going to open. So let's see what it is also going to present to us. So those of you that are asking, can you enter? You can enter. It is at 102 3302. So you can enter right now. Don't waste the time. Enter as fast as possible. There might be a fast rejection, so you enter as fast as possible. The rejection up here, see where the rejection is. If you are not in it, enter into it right now. See the rejection? You see the rejections that are happening?
Go and see them.
You see the rejections?
Drama. If you want journeys, stand up, cover. Find your stay, show me dollar. And if I can reach like Kofi Aban, no comment, full stop, no sentence.
On top of your place and share the life. Share the life to your landlord, share the life to your ex-girlfriend, share the life to everybody. No, that's silly. Everybody can come and watch me. I'm about to make money. Share it to your girlfriend, share your girlfriend, come and watch me. I'm about to make money. That one that lets you put your heart into this. Share it with them. Hey girl, I'm making money. Hey boy, I'm making money. You learn someone. Come and share the life to them. Share the life to them right now. Share the life. Once you are training, you are training. Make sure you are learning. Make sure you are learning. When I say you should enter, market is going to reject you. How did you protect that market is going to reject at that point? How you ask yourself this question. That is how you learn. That is how you become better in the skills. You will learn, become better. How did you do? How did you do? They just broke my heart. Posha is perfect. It's perfect. When a guy breaks your heart, Posha,
No sentence.
it's because you don't have enough money.
Your eye go pay.
Yeah,
If you no
it's
get,
because you don't have enough money.
no get,
Or
no
the
get.
guy don't have eyes.
Stay far away from me. I see a pen
Yeah,
and
we
me
tell.
the
He
sweet
has broken your heart. Don't worry, don't worry. Send the life to them. You should watch you break my feet.
That's my super.
And tell them you should watch you break my They don't say for Posha breakfast. Don't worry, Posha breakfast. Now you're collecting your own. Don't worry. This is it to enter the very nice level. Wait for you. If I have the powers, I will shirt you are wearing, I'll pull it off and knock you on the head. Because the market came to this point. When market came to this point, I was screaming on top of my voice, enter, 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 enter. You didn't enter. Now you have seen market is buying, you are asking me, can you enter? Don't let me come and give you a knock. My name is Road Money. Whenever you join my life, just follow. Whatever I say you should do, just trust me. Give me your trust and follow. That's all. Give me your trust and follow. You see, we have smashed TP1 again. You see, we have smashed TP1 again. You see, we have smashed TP1 again. That is how we do it right here. We don't joke, we don't play. Live trade. We don't joke, we don't play. If you like, be playing with your life. Be playing with your life. If you join where you have to make money, be here and be playing. Be making the money. Please, can you see the entries? Can you see the entries?
Go and see them.
Fine.
Drama. If you want to stand up, cover. Find your stay. Show me dollar. And if I can't reach that coffee, no comment. Full stop, no sentence. No sentence. Your eye go open. You know that. No
One has been
no guidance. Stay far away from me. I see a pen and me the sweetness.
569, 5,690. Just have to break it. Yeah, just money where you make.
Just look on your feet, that's my soup.
Just have to break it when TP1 is smashed. So just have to break it. The market is not for our malice, it's not for our malice. We are scamming. So we are scamming. Make something, secure something, break it. Then market play. There's very little every 6 p.m. kind of time. 4 minutes, it will be 12. 1 minute, it will be still young. But let's see how it's gonna go.
My belly, oh baby. I know fit to laugh, oh baby.
I want to talk about your space and share the life.
My belly,
Charlie, ciao. Thank you.
full stop, no
Thank you for the follow.
no
Some of you are saying
Your eye go open.
you have not even taken your part. You have not brushed it.
No guidance.
And you are there. You are trading. Trading is nice.
I see
If not, you are a trader, this morning, you have to report to that dex. You have to report to that office.
that's my super.
There are some of you are just sitting down watching your chart. That is the beauty of trading.
I see a pen and me the
That is the
sweetness.
beauty of trading gives you good time. You see enough time.
Just look on your feet, that's my super.
It's your nice time.
Fine girl with bombas.
So you see where I have marked. You see where I have marked. If market breaks that point and you are in a trade, you will come out. You know, the market speaks to us as traders. Okay? The market communicates to us as traders. So whenever market is doing something, you must give attention to what the market is doing. So let me teach you this so we all learn. Whilst we are trading, all of us are going to learn. Then we will be on the same track. All right. So this is the previous lows of the market, right? Before the previous lows of the market, this was the previous low before this low. Then this low was broken by this candle. Okay. So where it broke it from become our key point of interest when it comes to equilibrium. Then at that key point of interest, market shouldn't break that key point of interest. At that key point of interest is where the buy command is, where you have to see the buy rejections, where you have to see the buy move, where you have to see the buy command, the buy strength, the buy volume. That is the place you have to see the buy volume. So at this point, you have to see the rejections and the volume playing out here for the buys. At this point, you have to see the rejections, the volume playing out here for the buys. If it turns out that at this point it doesn't play so and you see it breaking this point, you don't hold trade. You don't hold trade. The reason why in equilibrium this is very important is that The market, as we all trade, the market is a language. When I say the market is a language, let me rephrase it so you understand well. The candles and the behavior of price movement is a communication to us as traders. No matter the strategy you are trading, whether SMC, whether it's ICT, whether it's clearing, no matter the strategy you are trading, the candles are language which you must give attention to, and the market sequence, which is the market movement and the environment, is also a language you must give attention to. So if you don't give attention to these things and market is doing otherwise, you might be in very big mess. That is the reason why, as at this point, you don't have to sell the market for anything. Why don't you have to sell the market for anything? Because you are in a market where you saw that a low was created, a new low was created, and that new low that was created, market was able to break the previous low that was created, creating a new high. So if market has created a new high, that point, which is this point, become a very focal point, a very strong point for the buys. A very strong point for the buys. So if this point being a very strong point for the buys, okay, and you are the overall trend currently is downtrend and not safe to buy. Okay, I'm coming. We'll look at the overall trend as well. We'll look at the overall trend as well. So with this movement, if you want to look out for a perfect sell on such a market like this, for you to look out for a perfect sell, what do you think you have to do? You have to relax, let this low be broken, let this also be broken, then you wait for a new lower high. There you can take your sells. Okay. Kofi Forex says that the trend is a what? Is a sell trend. Let's look whether the trend is a sell trend. So is this trend a sell trend? Let's all of us look at it. Is this trend a sell trend? This is on daily candle. Is this trend a sell trend? Let me zoom it so that we see it very clearly. Is this a sell trend? Is the market a sell trend? When it comes to trend of the market, you need to know how to read the trends, whether it is a buy, whether it is a sell. I taught you guys last week. So if you are saying the market is a sell, what is making the market a sell? What is your buyer? What is making the market a sell? Is it because today's candle is selling, that's why you are saying the market is a sell? Is it because when the market opened for the week, it is dropping? Is that the reason why it's a sell? What are your reasons? What are your confluence? You should have about more than 3 strong basics for you to say the market is a sell. So the first base, let's look what is the trend of the market. The trend of the market is not a sell. The trend of the market long term is never a sell. It is not a sell. Listen, the trend of the market for long term is not a sell. It is not a sell. Okay. So if the trend for the long term is not a sell, okay, let's look at this. So this was the previous support where market rejected from, right? The previous support where market rejected from, we saw this strong move. We saw these strong moves coming up. We saw these strong moves coming up. These strong moves coming up. Then after seeing these strong moves coming up, check from 4 hour. Don't worry, we'll check all the time frame. After seeing these strong moves coming up, this low right here is a previous low which market needs to retest, which is 3301 to the 3300. That is that level, that key psychological level. That is that level. So now we know the market is a buy. However, there is a sell retracement. Fine. Let's look at the 4 hour. As our brother said, we should look at the 4 hour. So looking at the 4 hour, we saw the market was selling. Whilst the market was selling, we saw the sales was violated. Market was selling, sales was violated. It has retested the point of interest where market needs to reject at this current point from the 300, 3300 or 3301. From that level all the way to the highs. So now, if you are trading SMC, ICT, do your analysis on the 4 hour. Okay, do your analysis on the 4 hour and look out for the next interest point when it comes to the buy and tell me the price range. Tell me the price range. If you are scalping and you take scalp 20, 30 pips into the sales, fine. But the trend is your friend. And knowing how to read the trend will save you a lot. The trend of the market is your friend. even with beginner strategy, friendly strategy that most people don't really give attention, or most people don't really care about it. Let's try to use a trend. Let's try to use a trend line to find this current trend. Let's try to use a trend line. So if I use this trend line, marking from this point, if I use this trend line, marking from this point, okay? If I use this trend line, marking from this point, what are you seeing? If I use this trend line, marking from this point, what are you seeing? Can't you see this was the move? What is this? Resistance broken, resistance becomes support. Whenever trend is broken and the trend is resistance, it turns into support. So resistance broken, resistance turns support. It has touched it at the early levels. It has touched it at the early levels, touching it at the early levels, giving that massive rejection at the 3301. What do you think is going to happen? It's just, it's just analysis. It's just analysis. So I've just done some little analysis with you. So if you trade SMC, if you trade ICT, you too do your analysis. And when you do your analysis, you now factor whether it is a buy or a sell. When you do your analysis, you now factor whether it is a buy or a sell. My name is Road Money. Follow no road. When I tell you something, yes, I love the knowledge aspect of the game much more than the trading, because it is a lot of people that trade, and a lot of people don't understand the knowledge they are trading. So someone is trading SMC, someone is trading ICT, but they don't understand the concept behind what they are trading. Okay, it's not just about reading chart. It's not just about reading. No, you must have the clear knowledge, the back end of the strategy. And when you are able to understand the back end of the strategy, is the buy active? It was active. It was I've mentioned the price which the buys are active. I've mentioned it several times. Okay. And with what I just explained to you, you can now see whether you're going to go for buy or you're going to go for the sell. It's just a simple thing. It's just a go, an easy go thing. Okay. So make sure that you are always following the direction and the trend of the market. It is going to save you from unnecessary moves, unnecessary liquidations. It is going to save you. Hope you all understood the analysis I just gave. If you don't understand the analysis I just gave, brother, stop trading. There are times it's not just about pumping the lot size. There are times it's not just about pumping the lot size. There are times you need to sit down, reflect, ask yourself that the strategy I am trading, am I good in it? When it comes to whatever I'm trading, what is my win rate when it comes to that strategy? If you see your win rate is not over 70%, from 70% going, then brother, you have to stop trading, sit down, come back to mentorship. Come back to mentorship, be mentored, learn the skills. Because it is the knowledge that will give you the shaping. I always tell people that whenever I'm teaching, I always tell people that the destiny helper you are looking for in life is a version of yourself you know not of. When it comes to trading, okay, when it comes to trading, all of us want to get to a certain height. I believe you have a dream when it comes to your trading journey. But that dream, when it comes to your trading journey, there is a man inside of you, there is a woman inside of you that is a professional trader. There is a man inside of you, there is a woman inside of you that is a great trader. But today it might look like you are struggling. Today it might look like even analyzing the market is difficult for you. But do you know what can bring that man or that woman inside of you out? It is by learning. It is by learning, because it is learning that makes a man. I said what? Learning. Learning is what makes a man. Learning is what makes a man. But the cell will still hold, right? No, please. See, I'm just explaining everything to you. So if you ask me this question, you want me to appear in your dream and give you a very hard knock. After explaining all to you, and you're still asking me questions like that, then my brother, you want a knock. it has to get to the other block. I don't trade other block. I don't know what is called other block. If I ask you what is called other block, what is the concept of other block? Will you be able to give me detailed concept of other block that even a beginner sitting somewhere will understand? Or because we just watch one or two videos uh, concerning other blocks or concerning whatever, you think you can be able to notify this. I'm not saying you don't know what else is other block. I'm just trying to pinch your mind to some point. You could see my chart, there is no indicator, okay? You could see my chart, there is no indicator. I don't support indicator. I don't trade indicators. I don't use indicators. That doesn't mean that I don't understand. I understand most indicators. But I believe that as a trader, you should get a fair knowledge behind everything you are doing. If you are trading user indicator, you must understand the indicator AMA before you use it. You must understand it. When I say understand it, it's not just about drawing and plotting. But when I say understanding, breaking the indicator down for you to know the reason. For instance, you are using moving averages. Okay. Can you be able to explain into detail the reason for certain point when it comes to moving averages? Can you? Or you just plotting those levels? You get it? So trading, there is more to learn. There is more to learn in trading. Don't just limit yourself to what you know. Always try to go deeper. And when you go deeper, one thing that in my trading journey I love so much is that I don't care whatever anyone says. For me, in my trading journey, I don't care whatever anyone says when it comes to my analysis. I will still hold myself and go, no problem, hold yourselves. If you like, it's your analysis. That I said, me, I don't care whatever you will say. Your analysis is your analysis. My analysis is my analysis. Until the market prove one wrong. Okay? And understand that there's no strategy that is 100%. There is no strategy that is 100%. Friday, was it Thursday? Thursday we took NFP, right? Thursday we took NFP and we lost to NFP. Thursday we took NFP, we lost to NFP live. Then on Friday we took a trade. All the trade, click the link in my bio and join the free Telegram channel if you are not there. We took a trade on Friday. We smashed all TPs on Friday. We smashed all TPs on Friday. But the same analysis we lost on Thursday. The same analysis we made money on Wednesday. We smashed all TPs on Wednesday. The same analysis we smashed all TPs on Tuesday. Do you copy that? So there is no strategy or there is no strategy you trade as a trader that is going to give you 100%. But just stick with your strategy and stick to what your strategy is telling you. If not, you'll be a confused trader. There is a way you know when your strategy is working, and there is a way you know your strategy is not working. It is luck that is giving you certain possibilities. You will know. If it is luck, if it is your strategy, you will know. So backtest your strategy. You are trading SX, you are trading ICT, you are trading equilibrium. Backtest your strategy. Take about 10 different trades. How many were you able to get out of the 10 trade? You took 10 trade. How many were you able to get out of the 10 trade? So now, if you know that, okay, I took 10 trade, I was able to get 8 out of the 10 consistently. I'm able to get like 8, 7 trade. The win to reward ratio is 1:2. Always trade. Hey, why you not bless up?
If you want join this,
so if you know you took that trade and it is 1:2, and you are able to get, about
full stop, no sentence,
no trades.
Your eye go pain you if you no get less. If you no get
then you know what you are doing.
no get less. Stay far away from me. I see the pen and me the sweetness.
Then you know what you are doing.
We the quality them the shiva. Just look on your feet, that's my super. Fine girl with numbers. I see the pen and me the sweetness. We the quality them the shiva. Just look on your feet, that's my super. Numbers.
nice. So now, trading, no one is buying until the market is right? So your analysis, why I say the video is paused. Is my video paused, please? Is my video paused? Is my video paused, please? This is my video. Why I say it's a sell? I'll explain the reasons to do anything I am to look out for a sell, where I will look out for a sell. But for now, bro, don't touch it. It is better if you are afraid of the buys. We have smashed TP twice already. We have smashed TP1 twice already. We have smashed TP1. It is 2 times we have entered into it already. We have smashed TP1 twice already. That's about 80 pips twice already. So now, this is our key. That has created a major support low. Hey, my life is paused. Is my life paused? Let me check whether my life is paused. Is my life back? Is it back now? Is the live back? I don't know why it was paused. So those of you that say it was paused and still you can hear me talk. How is it paused and still you can hear me talk? How is it paused and still you can hear me talk? Is it not strange? Yes, it's back. All right. So you could see how it has created a very strong price floor here, which is a very strong support here. And it keeps rejecting from that point. It keeps rejecting from that point. It keeps rejecting from that point. You ask yourself a question, why is it rejecting from that point? Why is it not anywhere but just that point? It keeps rejecting them. Then we are learning. We'll be on the same track. You understand the reason for my bias. You copy that. If you are not in the free Telegram channel, make sure you click the link in my bio. Where it says signals, free signals there. From last week, I've been sending signals back to back, back to back, back to back, back to back. Friday, I sent a signal for over 200 pips or smash TPs. Or smash TPs. Most of the time, we take the trade before I come live. I send the signals before coming live. So make sure that this on 5 minutes. Make sure that if you are not in the channel, you join, click the link in my bio and join. So my name is Road Money. I don't do account management. I don't do investment. I'll never message you. I won't tell you, bring your money, let me trade for you. I'll give you $50,000. I'll never tell you that. If anyone enters into your DM with that, please understand that it is not me and run for your destiny, run for your life. Okay? This is me. This is how we do it here. This is live trade. Currently, market is at 304. That is how we do it right here. So let's see whether it's going to break the 3306 and fly all the way up. Okay, follow Udo road. I trade gold purely. I have been trading. You see, it has smashed TP1 again. It has smashed TP1 3 times. So if you are a scalper, you are just scalping. You have smashed 120 pips already. You have smashed 120 pips already for today. Trading is not difficult. It is some of you that make it difficult. Look for somebody that is a good trader. Follow the person and you are okay. When we started trading, we didn't have the advantage, okay? When we started trading, we didn't have the advantage of what I am doing right now, okay? When we started trading somewhere 2018 ending to 2019, that is about 6 years ago, we didn't have this advantage, okay? So if you have this advantage, utilize it, utilize it, utilize it, utilize it. If not, when you go to church or you go to the mosque, hmm, you go to church or you go to the mosque and you are praying to God, to Allah, God Himself will tell you, hey, my brother, I gave you so many opportunities. You never utilize any of them. I gave you so many opportunities. Oh, Charlie, we start 2017, but Vim deal. Charlie, it's not most of the time, sit down, reflect. And when I started around 2018, what gave me a big edge and I became very profitable was when I sat down, asked myself questions why the market behaves the way it behaves. When you end up chasing money, you will never make the money. But when you end up chasing the knowledge, the money is going to come to you. It's a simple rule. When you end up chasing money, money will never come to you. But when you end up chasing the knowledge, the money will come to you. One thing that boosts my confidence and that makes me clap even for myself is not the monies I make on the forex market, but it is the knowledge I have acquired, the knowledge I have on this market. Okay, there are some of the time me myself I can analyze the market, it will play around me like, bro, damn, you are so good. Have you ever taken a trade where you start praising yourself before? I'm like, boy, you are so good. Why? Because I gave myself to the knowledge. So when you join my life for two, three times, aside everything, you will say this is a man that knows what it is doing. So if you are a beginner, you are intermediate, you are struggling, when you join my life, what I say you should do, do. Forget whoever is commenting whatever at the comment section. If I say do this, do it. If I say do, do. We have smashed TP1 again. Do you go live every day? If not, what time you go live? I go live every day for now. I'll be trying to come live every day for now. So the time is 11 a.m. Ghana time. So every 11 a.m. Ghana time, make sure that you are on. If you are not following, follow, and that is it. You copy that. You see what the market is doing. You see what the market is doing when I talk, don't argue when I talk, don't argue when I talk, don't argue. When I talk, don't argue. I trade gold purely, 100%. When I talk, don't argue. When I talk, don't argue. I'm from South Africa. Bless up. The people of South Africa, bless up. This year I'll try and be. I have profitable since following, apart from that NFP trading Friday. Yeah. So if you have been following, you could see since we started trading, I started coming live. It was only the NFP we lost. And NFP is NFP. It is obvious. It was only the NFP we lost. But every live trade I come to trade with you, you make money. At least if you make money, you learn as well. And that's it. Can I trade the hold for long? There are certain things you need to consider if you are holding. There are things you need to consider if you are holding. For instance, you see where the market is, you can see there's a resistance there, it's struggling. It needs to break that resistance first. When it breaks that resistance, we can grab the next highs. The market moves in levels. It moves in levels. When it is from here, it will tell you, the market itself will tell you that, okay, I have broken this point. I am going to this point. I'm moving from this point, I'm going to that point. So for instance, the mistakes you don't do, for instance, because you saw market is buying, you buy here. You don't do that mistake. If you buy here, you are buying at resistance and you don't do those mistakes as a trader. But if you bought here, that is a very powerful entry. But you don't buy here, that is resistance. But if you want to join the buy after the move, you have to relax, wait for this to be broken, let the market create a new higher low. Then after confirmation, you can enter. That is it, and you are good and you are okay. Any question, ask your question in the comment section. Road is here to answer you. I don't do account management. I don't do investment. I won't tell you, bring me your money, let me trade for you. Bring me your $3,000, let me trade for you and give you 30,000. I will not do that. If you see anyone doing that, please, it is not me. It is not me. Do you do class? It is only mentorship and signals I provide. Mentorship and signals, VIP signals, free signals, mentorship and signals. That is what only I provide. My mentorship is one-on-one online. When I say one-on-one, it is only you and me. Nobody teaches you. I teach you. So I don't take much people when it comes to mentorship. I don't take I don't take much people when it comes to mentorship because it is one on one. So when I teach you, bro, you should be okay. If your village people are not following you, if your village people ain't following you, if your village people ain't following you, say what strategy are you trading? What I trade is called equilibrium strategy. It is called equilibrium strategy. I trust you have not heard it before, and if you have heard it before, then it is coming from a student of mine or a student who was a student to my student. Okay, if you have seen anyone trading equilibrium strategy, the person is a student directly from me or a student of my student. I've taught students like Yudish, I've taught students like Ahmed, I've taught students like Fred, I've taught students like Baba Sadiq. So any of them that they are doing so well out there, they are making their money. Some of them are mentors, they are mentoring people as well. So if you see anyone trading equilibrium or using the strategy equilibrium, the person learned it from my student or learned it directly from me. Any other question? Any other question? I want the mentorship. If you want a mentorship, click the link in my bio, join the free Telegram channel, and message admin that admin I want to enroll on the one-on-one mentorship. Enroll and learn. It will help you. Where is it good for someone to enter a trade? It is good to enter a trade when it has to do with the buys at the lows of the market by seeing confirmations. When it has to do with the sell, you need to enter at the highs of the market, seeing confirmations. Why do you need to do that? Because in price movement or price behavior, you buy low, you sell high. You don't buy high. You don't buy high and you don't sell low. You buy low, you sell high. That is how to get good entry. Okay, that is how to get good entry. So if you want to be good when it comes to your entry, take this thing. I said it. I use SM3 strategy, but not effective. Okay, everyone and what works for them. But I believe that as Tino is saying that she's using SMC, it's not effective for her. Somebody also will say, "Oh, I'm using the SMC. If it's effective for me, I'm making money." Somebody will say, "I'm using ICT. It's not effective." Someone will say, "Okay, I'm using ICT. It is effective for me." Somebody will say, "Oh, I'm using equilibrium. It's not effective." Other will say, "Okay, I'm using equilibrium. It's effective for me." My point is, when it comes to the strategy, okay, we taught you the strategy, how you react and respond and respect to the rules of the strategy also matters. How you react, respond, and respect the rules of the strategy also matters. So there are a lot of SMC traders, but there are only few profitable traders when it comes to SMC. There are a lot of ICT traders, but there are only few when it comes to ICT who are profitable. Why is this so? So me, when I started trading, I told myself, God, show me, show me, show me. I was just there on my bed and God showed me equilibrium. So equilibrium, if I teach you equilibrium, you will see that you have not seen it anywhere. You have not heard it anywhere. It is something that God gave to me. Okay, it is something that God Himself gave to me, and I have been making money with it for about five and a half years now. I didn't hear it before. Yes, that's what I'm saying. I've been making money with it, and I've never done any video. I've not done any video of equilibrium to post out there because it is my intellectual property. So I've never done any video. But if you are my student, you will know what equilibrium entails. It's a very simple strategy, but very, very profound and very, very accurate. Okay. One of these days, I'll do a Zoom live section, show you some one or two things. Okay. Then you guys will see how accurate and how strong the strategy is. It's a very, very good strategy that it works especially good. 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 When you're a good trader, you need equilibrium. When you're a good trader, you need equilibrium because it will give you a sniper entry. It will give you a precise entry. You won't join the news and the noise on the market. It will prevent you from joining noises on the market. It will tell you when to be out of trade and when not to be out of trade. It will tell you when to a trade you should hold a trade or you shouldn't hold a trade. It will tell you when you should layer or when not to layer. When you click the link in my bio, join the free Telegram channel, you see where I move tiny account to insane money. I move tiny account to insane crazy amount of money, moving $16 to over $20,000. Check the link in my bio, check the group, you see all the tiny accounts where I was able to free. And I was able to do all those things by using Equilibrium. I was able to do all those things by using Equilibrium. Do you copy that? Any question? Any question? Any question? Any question? If you have a question, type it in the comment section. And if you have a question, type it in the comment section. If you have a question, type it in the comment section. All questions. I'm responding to all questions now. Are you going live every day? I will try. I will try, but I can't promise. I can't promise, but I will try. Nice strategy. So do you sell at premium and buy it at discount? I don't understand that. Do you sell it at premium and buy it at discount? My strategy, I don't sell. I don't give you videos to watch. I don't give you ebooks to read. I teach you live. So like the way we are doing live, if you are enrolled in my mentorship, one-on-one mentorship, it's like this. So with a Zoom meeting, Google Meet meeting, I teach you live like this. So when there are questions you need to ask, you ask. When you are learning one-on-one, it is very, very effective than when you are watching videos. Okay. There are students that have said, oh, Ruth, why don't you give us videos for us to watch when it comes to I said, no, videos is powerful. Haven't you be watching videos of strategies? Haven't you be watching videos? You watch videos now. But if the strategy owner is teaching you, you get the clear picture of what it entails. And when you're trading it, you'll be good. You'll be good. You'll be good. You'll be good. I joined the group, but I did found your contact. All right. So if you have joined the free Telegram channel, I'm sending my handle right there. If you want to join the class, I'm sending my handle right there. If you want to join the class, you can message me personally. Then you take the class from there. So I just sent my handle. Da da dee. Okay, Chino Fingers, I see you. I see you. Seeing the reply to, all right, I see you. I think I see your comment. I see your chat. It's afternoon at Ghana time. I want that strategy power. It's always up to you. It has to do with your seriousness, your determination, your anger for success. There are people that they are not serious. I've taught hundreds of people. I have taught hundreds of people. I've taught hundreds of people. There are people they just want an escape route, but they don't want to sacrifice. They don't want to give themselves. Trading is easy, but the knowledge is not easy. You must give your we come to class, I teach you live. After we are done with class and I teach you live, whatever I teach you, you must go back test whatever I teach you. Use whatever I teach you until You yourself, you know that okay, you have mastered it. Because I'm a type of person, when I teach you subject A, we come back tomorrow. I don't expect you to mix or forget anything when it comes to subject A, because I don't bombard your head with plenty things when I'm teaching. So I can pick one topic, and that one topic we could last for like an hour on that one topic. The reason being that it should be part of you. Like it should become part of you. That me, without slide, without anything, you should be able to, okay, when I ask you what is market sequence, you should be able to tell me what a market sequence is. Okay, you should be able to tell me what a market sequence is. Like it should be on your fingertips. Do you copy that? It should be on your fingertips like that. Until we can't make messages. I've sent my handle there. So click on my handle, you'll be able to send me a message. My handle is there. Just click on the handle and you'll be able to send me a message. Tino just sent me a message. I just saw a message. Gold gas is still so sad for this week. No problem. Yeah, I've told you everything I need to tell you. Okay, I've told you everything I need to tell you. I don't really talk much when it comes to these things. Whatever you think, brother, go and do. Um, whatever you think, go and do. When you do, you make money, clap for yourself. You make your loss to clap for yourself. It is normal. Do you copy that? It is normal. So Tino, I've replied you. I've replied you. So you could see the market has smashed TP how many times? 4 times. Play. Playing. Chris CSC. Chris CSC, how are you? Chris CSC, how are you? Chris CSC 432. Are you from Namibia? Are you from Namibia? You know, I've replied you, so you can check. You know what you are going to get when it comes to the class, what you will be getting, the intensive trading, the lifetime coaching, access to mentorship group for live trading sections, deep dive into my trading system, weekly psychological section, weekly market outlook with mentorship group, equipment scalping, swinging strategy, risk management section, off and passing technique, multi-time frame analysis, trading psychology, deep dive into correlation, fundamental analysis, energy criteria, and certificate of participation. So these are the things you will get when you enroll to class. So I have replied to you. You can check. When should we enter into a buy? You can see buy now. You're asking when should we enter into a buy. As I'm talking to you, me that I'm talking to you, I'm in a buy. You see, me that I'm talking to you, I'm in a buy. So me that I'm talking to you, I'm in a buy. You're asking when can you enter now? Gold is going to buy massively. How do you trade when you don't see real trend? When me that I'm talking to you, see, me that I'm talking to you, I'm in a buy. And if I'm in a buy, me, I'm giving you trade, I'm in it, and you're asking when you can enter. Me there. Some of you, you are too afraid. You are too alive. You are too afraid. So even when signals are given, eh, you want encouragement for you to enter. Encouragement for you to enter. You don't need encouragement. Just follow no route. That's all. Okay? When you are with me, just follow. When I say do this, do that, do. Give yourself time and give yourself time. So thank you guys. I will be smashing TP2 right now. We'll be smashing TP2. If you are not in the free Telegram channel, join. If you want to join the VIP too, you can join the VIP. You can join the VIP. I'll be sending signals back to back. Signals back to back. Just copy and make money. Copy signals, make money. Copy signals, make money. Copy signals and make money. As you can see, we are smashing TP2 right now. We are smashing TP2 right now. We are smashing TP2 right now. So it has broken that high. So definitely we should be smashing TP2 in few minutes. We should be smashing TP2 in a few minutes. We should be smashing TP2. We should be smashing TP2. Anything on Nasdaq? I don't trade Nasdaq, my brother. I have corrected the camera angle. We'll be smashing TP2. We'll be smashing TP2 right quick. We'll be smashing TP2 right quick. We'll be smashing TP2 right quick. Just follow no road. Don't argue with your mentor. When you see your mentor, just know who your mentor is and don't argue with your mentor. When your mentor says it's a buy, you are saying it's a sell. You are arguing with your mentor. And if you do that, you die early. The market will crash you. Otherwise, bless her for the follow. All right, TP2 about to be smashed. 3 pips to smash TP2. 2 pips to smash TP2. 2 pips to smash TP2. Okay. 5 0 TP2 smash. All right. TP2 smash. TP2 smash. TP2 smashed. Our TP2 is smashed. That's how we do it. TP2 smashed. TP2 smashed. Let me mark TP2 smash. Let me mark TP2 smash. All right. TP2 smashed. TP2 is smashed. TP2 is smashed. Let me know how much you are making at the comment section. Let me know how much you are making at the comment section. Those that say you sell, they are selling. Alpha. Alpha, bro. Alpha, sister. Those of you that said you are selling. Alpha. When it happens like that, all of them run away. They vanish. Those of you that were against what I was saying, you said you were selling. How far now? Or you can't comment. Follow no road. Follow no road. When I'm trading life, it's a different ball game together. When I'm trading live, it's a different ball game together. At least I've smashed TP1, TP2 with you guys. Break even and maybe secure some profit. In the next 8 minutes, I'll be signing out. I have somewhere to be at 1 p.m. So in the next 8 minutes, I'll be signing out. Make sure if you're not in the free Telegram channel, you join. I'll be coming live as often to trade live with you. I'll be coming live often to trade live with you. Let me update them in the group. TP2 smashed. TP2 smashed. TP2 smashed. Oh, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Above and not beneath, no weapon formed against me shall prosper. It's working around for me. I will be the head, not the tail. Above and not beneath. It's nice doing trade while you're alive with us. Listen. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. It's working around for me. Everything is. If you want a good broker to use, a good broker, I use Xmas. If you want a good broker to use, click the link in my bio, and when you click the link in my bio, you see Xmas broker. Click on it, register, and use it. If you are looking for one is unlimited leverage, use it. If you are in Europe, you want to register and you are finding difficulties, you can reach out to me. I'll help you register, and you can make some money. God bless you. God keep you. Any question for the next 2 to 3 minutes? If you have any question, just ask, then I can answer you quickly. Can we adjust our answer? Surely you have to do that. That one is if you don't need to ask me, my brother. You have to do that. Any question? Any question? Any question? Sammy first, thank you for the follow. Any question? I'll be signing out right quick. If you have any question, just let me know. Then I can answer you before I sign out. Sign out. Please, I have a problem with the verification process with my address.
drama. If you want journeys, stand up, cover. Find girls there, show me dollar. And if I can reach like Obiaba, no comma, full stop, no sentence, no sentence. Your eye go pay me if you no get less. If you no get less, no get less. Stay far away from me. I see it when you meet it sweet as I we dey collect them, they shiva, aye. Your super no fit, that's my super, aye. Fine girl, we bombas, aye. I see it when you meet it sweet as aye. We dey collect them, they shiva, aye. Your super no fit, that's my super, aye. Fine girl, we bombas, aye.
Like, make sure it is not AI.
My
Make sure it's not AI. And
I know
this
fit
is
to
your shit.
laugh, fit to
If
laugh,
this is
oh
then it is
baby.
my face.
My brother, oh baby. I know fit to laugh, fit to laugh, oh. Full stop, no sentence,
The
no
VIP, if you want to join the VIP,
sentence.
you
Your
can
eye
take the link
go
in my bio.
pay if you no
If you want a free
get
Telegram channel, message
if you
me.
no get
Yeah, it's very cheap.
no get stay far away from me. I see it when you meet it sweet as aye. We dey collect them, they shiva, aye. Your super no fit, that's my super, aye. Fine girl, we bombas, aye. I see it when you meet it sweet as aye. We dey collect them, they shiva, aye. Your super no fit, that's my super, aye. Fine girl, we bombas, aye.
All right. I thank you guys though, Question Daydreamer. Thank you for the follow. I thank you guys though, Question Daydreamer. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate all of you. Tomorrow we might come live. I'll make sure you're on the free Telegram channel. Possibly find yourself in the VIP. In the VIP. And can we all hit on TP? All my trade, check. When I give trade and I give TPs, they are reason for the TPs. Every TP you are seeing on your screen to the last TP20 is going to be smashed. Every single TP you are seeing. Every single TP. You copy that. Every single TP. So bless up. Ilam Gandhi, come and learn. Come and learn. So can we go TP 32, 20 now? Yeah, you need to go. So can we go TP 32, 20 now? Yeah, you need to go. How many trades do you give in the VIP? I give 1 to 3 trades daily. I give 1 to 3 trades daily. When it comes to my VIP, I don't spam it with unnecessary trade. I give A plus setup. So you don't need to be so athlete on your phone, be taking trade anyhow. No. Even if it's only 2 trades I send for the day and all smash TP, or it's only 1 trade I send for the day, you are able to get 200 pips. You are okay. Okay, you are okay. Last week we made over 1,000 pips in the VIP. Last week we made over 1,000 pips in the VIP. This week I've started. Today we have made over 160 pips already for today. Okay, we have made over 160 pips. It's still counting. So by the end of the day, probably we make like 200, 300 pips. Okay, tomorrow we'll make about 200. If I don't give at all, if you don't get at all, you get 100 pips for your belly. Okay, 100 pips to hold body. 100 pips to hold body. Okay, so God bless you. God keep you. I'm signing out. Bless up. I love all of you. Enjoy the rest of your day. If you have made money on my life, don't go and blow it elsewhere. If you have made money on my life, don't go and blow it elsewhere. Some of you, that is what you do. You come and make money on my life, you go to different people's life and you go and blow it. Don't be following too many people. No, don't be following too many people. Follow somebody you know that okay, I can get something from this person. Follow somebody you know that okay, this person knows what he or she is doing. I can get something from him or her. If not, you'll be wasting your time and wasting your data. Hmm? Don't waste your time. Don't waste your data. The little money you have made from this life, keep it. Tomorrow might be life. You make at least you know that okay, I'm trading with real money. In a week, I'm able to make for myself 300 pips, 400 pips, 500 pips. You're okay. You are good. Okay. I'll be seeing you guys in class. So those of you that want to learn, I'll be seeing you in class. Those of you that are joining the VIP, you'll see the signals. God bless you and God keep you. I'm signing out. Enjoy the rest of your night. Bye bye. Go and sit down.